Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and staying at your home. So, today's class we will learn the phonetic sound of R. You all know alphabets have sound. So, today we will learn the sound of R. So, let's start. You all know that alphabets have sounds. Alphabet have their own sound, right? So in this class we will learn the sound of R. Which sound we will learn? The sound of R. So let's learn the sound of R. The sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. So, let's do with the example. So, let's start. What is the color of this? This is red color. So, R is for red. Red. R is for red. Red. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for radio. Radio. R is for radio. Radio. I think you have learned the sound of R. So what is the sound of R? Sound of R is R. What is the sound of R? R. So, practice this at your home regularly. Not only the sound of R, practice all those alphabet sound regularly at your home, which we have done in the online class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.